Yesterday's victory is already behind him. Discipline doesn't celebrate yesterday for long. Every sunrise brings another test, another opportunity, another chance to become the person you've always imagined. People chase motivation. Champions build routines. Motivation disappears. Discipline stays. The strongest habits are built through repetition, long after excitement fades. Leg day isn't everyone's favorite. That's exactly why it matters. Growth happens when you choose the difficult path instead of the comfortable one. Your body usually gives up after your mind does. If you can control your thoughts, your body will always surprise you. Training creates the challenge. Nutrition creates the solution. Every meal is another investment in tomorrow's performance. Recovery isn't the reward for hard work. Recovery is part of the work itself. Muscles grow while you recover, not while you lift. Respect your environment. A clean gym reflects a focused mind. Small habits create extraordinary results. The world sleeps, but discipline never does. It quietly prepares for another sunrise, another workout, another chance to grow. Success isn't built in one dramatic moment. It's built in thousands of quiet decisions that nobody else ever sees.